Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, I just got a quick cruise news story for you today. Now, this doesn't directly affect cruising, but it does directly affect cruisers, and so that's why I wanted to get this out to you, especially since it just came out today. So I'm sure you guys remember just last week, they extended the federal mask mandate requiring everybody to wear masks on public transportation, airplanes, airports, and of course our cruise terminals during embarkation and disembarkation. Well, there has been an update on this, and one I want to share with you guys. So a federal judge in Florida has vacated the Biden administration's national mask mandate for planes and other forms of public transportation, arguing that the CDC has once again overstepped their authority. And this comes less than a week after the CDC just did the 15-day extension, which was supposed to go until May the 3rd. So U.S. District Judge Catherine Kimball Mazzelli said the CDC failed to adequately explain its decisions and violated the procedures for federal agencies to issue rules. So what does this mean? Does this mean we still have to wear masks on airplanes, airports, and in the cruise terminals? I would say at this particular moment, the answer to that, of course, is still yes. You know how all of these federal procedures go. And since this information has just come out today, it's probably going to take a couple of days for them to work it all out and figure out whether or not, of course, it's going to be appealed, what the next step's going to be. Does the CDC have the authority? Who knows how this is going to happen. Honestly, if you go back and think about the court cases in Florida involving vaccination requirements, it went back and forth, back and forth. And so in this case, there's a chance that the 15-day extension will pass before any real decision is made. Or we might hear something here later on today or first thing tomorrow that says, hey, you don't have to wear the mask on public transportation anymore. This is, like I said, this is still an ongoing story. So, of course, as soon as we have any more information, anything else to share with you, we will get it out to you as soon as possible. Just wanted to share this update with you guys to let you know that a federal judge has once again said the CDC has overstepped their authority. All right, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.